Ing'orita Ma TV amu enang ena.
In every contest, there is always a winner and a loser. And this day, my good brother Patrick was the winner, so that I will be a winner tomorrow. And I graciously accept to rally behind him to make sure that we deliver the UDA seat, gubernatorial seat in Narok, for the interest of Narok people and Kenyans at large.
I can confidently confirm and acknowledge that we have recently offered distinguished leadership to the people of Kenya and the county of Narok throughout this period. Accordingly, I therefore wish to convey profound humility and deepest gratitude to my two colleagues for having ceded their ambition for my candidature by consensus. This is a rise to the spirit of nationhood.
After a long process of consultations and agreement, I want to say that our three gubernatorial candidates from Narok eventually decided that in the best interest of the party and in the best interest of the unity of the party in Narok, and to give us the best possible opportunity not just to win in Narok, but to win resoundingly, they decided that we are going to adopt the alternative process of consensus. All the candidates that were in the race for the governor submitted themselves to the consensus process, which has been going on now for almost a month. We had a meeting of 150 opinion leaders from Narok as part of this process, and we all agreed that this is the best way to go, so that we can not only secure the position of governor and all the other positions in Narok, but also be able to get Narok into our very stronghold as we go into the next general election. And therefore, it is my very humble duty to say that after a long process, and I want to thank all the aspirants and all the leaders for showing leadership and demonstrating their selflessness, that today we have agreed that the gubernatorial candidate for Narok County will be Patrick Ntutu. And our sister Soipan Tuya has been gracious that after her 2 terms as a women rep, she would want to give that opportunity to another woman to be elected by not vying for that position herself. Our good brother Gabriel Tongoyo as well was gracious enough to say that he's going to cede ground for Patrick to vie, and he's going to vie for his position as member of parliament for Narok West. Kwa makubaliano sasa Patrick Ntutu ndiye atapeperusha bendera yetu kama UDA ya governor kule Narok, na nimeshukuru Mama Soipantuya kwa kukubali kumuunga mkono, na pia tumesema ya kwamba ataungana na the secretariat ya chama ndio aweze kutusaidia katika kuendesha kampeni za chama.
Ing'orita Ma TV amu enang ena.